sure it's focused too.
It is.
Where's the Nana?
Nana.
Yeah. Where's the Nana?
Nana.
Where
Are you
is it?
showing Grandpa where the Nana
Where's
is?
the Nana?
Nana.
Nana. Where's it at? Where's the Nana?
Nana.
Yeah. Good boy. Where is it? Where's it at?
Nana.
There it is. Yep. Where is it? Where's the Nana? Where's the Nana? Where's the banana at? Priestley. Hey. Priestley.
Priestley.
Priestley. Where's the Nana?
Nana.
Yeah. Where's it on this one?
Nana.
Yeah. Where's it on this one? Where's the Nana?
Nana.
Yeah. Where's it on this one? Good night. That's all. Where's the Nana? Right there. Where's the Nana on this one?
Nana.
Yeah, Nana. Okay. Good night. What's over there?
You want to show Grandpa where Curious George is? Do the Curious George.
Where's George?
It's no use.
Where's George?
We're not getting anywhere.
Where's George? There he is.
It's like walking on ice.
Where's George? Get a little water?
That's it.
Yeah. Where's George?
It is like walking on ice.
Show me. There he is.
On ice and still
Uh-oh. Drop it. Okay, where's George? What does that feel like? Where's George hiding? There he is.
And that's how they stay in control, even on a
There he is.
So we
Feel the draft?
we can move around
Feel
on
it?
the slippery floor and get to where we need to go.
Where's George?
start.
There he is. Yeah. Good boy. You did it. Yay.
Yay, Priestley.
Can you say Grandpa?
You know, I think I saw some
Priestley, say Grandpa.
prizes. Smitty,
Say
you
Grandpa.
think you can slide him back in there? 10-4. Careful.
Say Grandpa.
4.
Priestley.
Go.
Priestley. Say Grandpa.
Okay. Yeah. For 2.
Can you say Grandpa?